surprised to find that there is surprisingly little information available on implementing morphing effects in geometry nodes. Isn't it quite a basic feature? You can easily achieve it with shape keys in Blender, but it can be challenging in geometry nodes if you don't know the method. After all, everything seems difficult if you don't know how. In the past, when there was a transfer attribute node, it wasn't as difficult. But since it was replaced with the sample index node, it feels even more challenging. However, as always, once you know how, it's not that difficult. The problem is the time and energy wasted in the process of figuring it out. So here's the node setup for implementing morphing effects in geometry nodes. There may be other methods, but this is the most concise setup I've discovered so far. Let's take a look. First, you need to roughly match the number of vertices between the objects that will morph. Using the sample index node is correct, but if you connect the index input to it, you'll encounter strange results. The issue is indeed related to the index, but it seems to be resolved by adding a sample nearest node. Yes!